What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday installed some coilovers on the car. Just installed them, didn't really like dial in the fitment or like get it exactly where I wanted it adjusted, so we're gonna do that today. And then just do a couple other things to the car, and I don't know, I just really wanted to make a video about it, and yeah, let's get started. So there's coilovers on the car all the way around right now. We just have to get all the measurements right and like get it all sitting good and all the same, because it's not all the same right now. It kind of looks goofy. Turn these lights on and get things rolling. Okay, so first of all, the shop's pretty dirty because we were it was just me, my dad, and my dad was kind of helping me, and we were kind of just getting it all done, so the shop's kind of dirty. So first of all, I'm gonna clean it up, just kind of leave out the tools that I need and put away the ones I don't, and yeah, so I'm just gonna start with cleaning up the shop, and I'll do a little time lapse. Okay, so I got the front left side adjusted. It looks a lot bigger because it's on a jack over there, but it's a lot lower than that, trust me. But just want to show you while I have this wheel off. This is the coilover. It's a teen coilover, teen, tine, however you say it. I don't really know. People will probably argue about that all day. But yeah, that's them right there. They look good. I got the ones with the top hats on them, so they have the camber adjustment and like they have the dampening adjustment right there. Same on that side. But yeah, I got that side adjusted, this side adjusted to the same. So just gotta put this wheel on, tighten the other wheel, and then we'll have to move the back. The backs look about the same right now. I think we need to come down a little bit, look a little high, but yeah, I'll update you guys when I'm onto the backs. Okay, so I've had the back wheels off multiple times. I have this one about where I want it, I think. It's like, it's about a finger gap. I can move my finger a little bit in it. Like, it's pretty good. It matches the front all right. I like it, and like, I don't know, this is like a starting, like, once I drive it, I might adjust it after that, but this side is just about a little higher, so I just gotta take this side off again. I've taken it off like twice, but it's still not low enough, so I'll film me taking it off and then like adjusting it. And hopefully this will be the last time I adjust it, but yeah, it's looking good. I'm starting to like how it's sitting. Here's a closer look. There's the coil. And you just undo this ring, like you loosen it. I see it very good. Yeah, you loosen this ring, and then you turn the whole shock in and out of here. And that's where we adjust it. Okay, so hopefully it's good now. Putting this back on for millionth time, probably millionth. Probably done this a million times, just about. Ow! That hurt my finger. But yeah, definitely don't recommend this. Well, like, I do. It's fun, but not really. Kind of sucks. But it'll look good. It's all worth it in the end, right? That's why we do this. Please work. Please look good. There we go, boys. That's how she's gonna look. So we'll get all the wheels tightened back up. Make sure all the tops are tightened. Pull her out and see what she looks like. Good. Okay, there it is. Car's all done, tightened up, looks good. Looks good for now, I think. I don't know, I might make some adjustments down the road, but I'm really happy with it right now. So let's pull it outside and get a better look. Looks really good. I'm super excited about it. No more monster trucking. Dang. Got some pretty good fitment back here. It's like one finger. Hopefully that doesn't rub. It might. Probably will. But hey, it's all right. Looks super good. I'm super excited about it. Tonight, I think I'm gonna go like into town, like around like sunset, and get some good videos and pictures of it, and I'll throw it in this video. Okay, so it's a lot later in the day. I ended up not like driving downtown to take pictures. I'm to my house and I like realized that it's like the perfect time to take pictures, and I wasn't downtown, so just in front of my house. Car looks really good. It sits, I think, almost perfect. It looks so much better than it did. I'm stoked on it. So just gonna get some try and get some cinematics. Never really done that before, but I'm gonna try. And hopefully it looks good. And yeah, so enjoy, and thanks for watching this video. It was kind of random, kind of all over the place, but just wanted to put out another video, and it's pretty fun doing them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.